Hi! In front of me is Poco F5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access apps. Following that, click on App Lock and choose Turn On. Now you need to create your pattern that you will use to lock your apps. Repeat it in order to confirm it and click on Next at the bottom right corner. Now you can log in to your Me account. If you don't want to do that, select Not Now, wait 5 seconds and tap on Not Now again in the pop-up. If you want to lock all of those apps, just click on Use App Lock right away. If you don't, you need to click on all of them. Check for 0 and tap on Use App Lock then. In order to set up your fingerprint to unlock your apps, tap on Settings in the pop-up. You can always do it later and click on Cancel. Finally, to lock your apps, click on the switches next to them. I will go with YouTube. So when I click, go back and try to access YouTube app. I can see that pattern is now required. In order to disable app lock from one of your apps, access the same settings and tap on No Blue Sweater next to it. If you want to disable app lock completely, select this gear at the top right corner. Click on the switcher next to App Lock feature. Tap on OK in the pop-up. And now when I click on App Lock, I can see that it was deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!